Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study medicine in New Zealand. Start by choosing accredited programs and listing entry requirements, including GPA, UCAT, and prerequisite courses. Create a backwards timeline from application deadlines to exam dates and interview prep. Secure clinical experience, volunteering, and referees while organizing certified documents and transcripts. Plan funding, scholarships, and visa logistics promptly to avoid last-minute issues and ensure a smooth application. Start applications early and tailor personal statements to each school's clinical focus and values. Aim to improve GPA and UCAT scores with scheduled study blocks and practice tests, then rehearse MMI interviews through mock stations. Keep a clear checklist for documents, referee contacts, and submission deadlines to avoid last-minute stress. Consider backup pathways like graduate entry and maintain steady study habits, balanced with rest and peer support to stay resilient. Balance clinical placements with structured study by planning weekly goals and reflective debriefs after shifts. Build rapport with supervisors, request feedback, and consistently log procedures and competencies to demonstrate progress. Prioritize patient safety, professionalism, and reflective practice to steadily improve clinical skills. Use simulation labs for emergencies and join case groups to sharpen reasoning. Maintain sleep, nutrition, and social time, and celebrate small milestones to sustain motivation through training.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.